Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I got IMK Nails Family, Picnic and Fireworks, and MoYou London Pro Collection XL01, Maniology Candy Apple, and Double Bubble. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is IMK Colors, and this one is called Family Picnic and Fireworks. Real pretty, real pretty. Very sheer, but I'm good with it because of what I'm going to do with this hair manicure. It's just so pretty though. It's just such a, like a off-white cream with the white, red, and blue little glitters, all different sizes. Very pretty. I'm going to top it with I&M out the door. We're going to get it to dry down so we can continue on with the rest of the manicure. All right, so here we go with that top coat, getting it all smooth. Gonna cap my free edge here. Tippity top. And there it is, all on its own. Here we go with MoYou London. This is the Pro Collection XL-01. I'll be using Maniology, and this is Candy Apple. And also Maniology Double Bubble. Got my little Maniology scraper and a cube stamper out. And we're just going to get busy doing some stamping. Now this is kind of a untraditional 4th of July manicure, but you know, we do what we do. You know, we play what we play, do what we want. I'm going to clean my stamper off on a lint roller real quick. And then we're going to carry on. If I can get my mat back down here. I'm going to clean my stamping plate with some acetone. Give it a quick wipe. And then go in with some more stripes. Give that a good scrape. Pick it up. And lay it down. Alright, so to be honest, that was pretty good for line stamping for me. Pretty straight. Maybe not perfect, but my nails aren't perfect, so how you gonna get there? So here we go. We're going to use these little bitty dots on the other nails. Just add some more interest to this one here. And give it a go. And I am sad that IMK is no longer doing business, providing us with PLEs and her beautiful polishes. But I do understand, you know, life's busy and having a business is also a lot more. So, but appreciative for everything she did put out there for us. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and clean up any excess off of my skin. As you saw, I did clean my plate with some acetone. Got everything cleaned up so I could put it away. And we're just getting all this little bitsy stuffs cleaned up. Pretty good, pretty good. Don't even have to get out the brush. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And I do have a discount code down in the description box if you're shopping out there at the Maniologies. It'll get you 10% off. I do earn a little bit of commission. I need to throw that out there. I need to be completely upfront about it. But I do spend the money on Maniology stuff so that I can share on the channel. And here we go. Final top coat. And today we're using Seche Vite. Gonna cover this up and let it dry down all the way through the layers. And ta-da! I mean, it's good stuff. Here we go with some Maniology on, Maniology. Got Maniology on the brain. Some Seche Vite on this one here too. On that little pinky nail. So there we have this one. This one's done. It is finished. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Good job. And there it is, my final manicure. I do hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.